Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be walking you through an easy guide on how to change store currency. So if you want to change your store currency, here's a simple workaround for that. So for you to be able to do that, you have to go to your browser and log in into your store account. So just put the stand.store and sign in using your login details. Then you have to go to the settings. So from the dashboard, click the settings in the left side menu. Then next thing to do is to open the payment setting. So find and click the payment settings or payout settings. Then scroll down to the section labeled currency. Then from there you have to click the drop down menu and choose your desired currency, for example USD, GBP or Euro. So the USD stands for United States dollar, then the Euro also means the euros too, which is just pick any available currency which suits your need. Then after that you have to click save or update the settings to apply the changes. And here's a quick important tips: choose the currency most of your customer use, and this help avoid confusion and conversion fee. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.